What is walking meditation?
Walk-in meditation combines gentle movement with mindfulness, turning a simple walk into a calming practice. Unlike seated meditation, it encourages awareness through each step, helping to anchor the mind in the present moment. This technique can be practiced anywhere, indoors or outside, making it a flexible option for stress relief in daily life.
Preparing for your meditation walk.
Choose a safe, quiet space where you can walk comfortably with minimal distractions. Wear comfortable shoes and clothing. Stand still for a moment before beginning, taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. Focus on your intention, to be fully present and aware of each step, letting go of worries about the past or future.
Step-by-step walking meditation technique.
Begin walking at a slow, natural pace. Pay close attention to the sensations in your feet and legs as they move. Notice how your heel touches the ground, your foot rolls forward, and you lift your other foot. If thoughts distract you, gently bring your focus back to the feeling of walking, step by step.
Mindfulness tips for reducing stress.
As you practice, let your awareness expand to your surroundings, sounds, scents, and the feeling of air on your skin, while always returning to your breath and steps. If stressful thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and simply refocus on the present moment. Over time, this helps quiet your mind and reduce stress.
Building a consistent walking meditation habit.
Aim for short sessions of 5 to 10 minutes at first, gradually increasing as you feel more comfortable. Try to incorporate walking meditation into your daily routine, such as during morning walks or lunch breaks. Consistency is key. Regular practice can enhance your sense of calm and make stress easier to manage.